My name is Ellie, and today I'm going to be going over the differences between the Ooni Koda 12 and the Ooni Koda 16. Let's do it.
The Ooni Koda 12 cooks pizza up to 12 inches and the Ooni Koda 16 can cook pizza up to 16 inches. The stone of the Ooni Koda 16, you can have a bigger area to cook your pizza in. If you make smaller pizza like me, it gives you a lot more room to maneuver your pizza in. It has a curved structure where it goes in at the back and then it comes out at the front to go with the shape of the burner, and the stone of the Koda 12 is more square. So they are very different stone sizes. There's a big difference between the gas burners of these two ovens as well. The gas burner in the 12-inch pizza oven has just one burner at the back, and that covers the whole of the back. It's got a lovely flame that goes up and over your pizza and gives it a lovely cook. The 16-inch pizza oven has the same designed burner, that lovely wispy flame, but it's L-shaped, so it goes around the two sides of your pizza oven. It can cook your pizza faster and you don't have to rotate it as much, because as your pizza goes in, the L burner will cook half of the pizza when you rotate it. So the L-shaped burner does heat up the stone further to the front of the oven as well. So the 12-inch pizza oven is a lot smaller, so there's no issues heating the stone up with the 12 either, but I think that the 16 really did need to have the burner coming to the front because it's such a wide fronted oven and they needed to get some of that heat to the side of the oven. So I think it's a really good design because it does cover the front area of the oven for the heat that you need to cook your pizza with. The smaller oven is going to heat up faster, but the 16-inch does a really good job of heating up. I'd say between 15 minutes and 25 minutes, that's about the time these ovens take to heat up. But the Koda 16 does a really good job because of the large gas burner. I do find that your climate and how windy the day is does affect heat up times as well, and make sure that you store your stone in a dry place rather than in a damp area because it will take longer to heat up. Another key difference is the weight of the oven. These ovens for me are all portable pizza ovens. The weight of the Koda 12 is very light. I can carry it easily under one arm without the stone in, and it's super lightweight. It's great for taking away on holidays, on camping trips, and it doesn't take up much room. The legs fold up at the bottom and you're good to go. Other than you need a gas tank as well. Yeah, for the oven itself, it's very small. With a 16-inch oven, it's wider, the legs fold up underneath, it is bigger. However, with the stone out, it is easy to carry. I mean, it's a lot heavier than the Koda 12. I never carry it with a stone in because it is super heavy. I carry the stone separately. When I do it like that, it's fine. Both of these ovens are portable. If I can carry it, it's not too heavy. There is a limit and it hasn't reached that limit. So for me, it's a portable oven. The structure of the two ovens are very similar. They're made with very similar materials. This grey, it's like a silicone-y, hard, plasticky type covering. I really don't know what it is, but it's really easy to keep clean. It doesn't change colour, it keeps its looks. My Koda 12 oven structure still looks like new after all this time, and this oven is the same and it looks really nice and it doesn't change. The dial is exactly the same on the Koda 12 and the Koda 16. The difference is obviously the burner is a different structure in the 16, but the dial itself is the same. The front structure of the oven looks the same at the top with the Ooni logo with that band of different colour. And the legs where they fold up are very similar. They both have the 3 legs that fold underneath the oven. So other than the size and the structure of the burner, the actual composition of these ovens are very similar. So which pizza oven out of these 2 is my favourite? I do have a favourite. It's the Ooni Koda 16. Before the Koda 16 came out, it used to be the Koda 12 was my favourite go-to pizza oven, and the reason being that it's an all year round pizza oven. I can cook with it in the summer, in the winter, undercover if it's raining. It's so easy to set up, to heat up, cools down quicker than a wood-fired oven because you don't have embers keeping it heated up, and there's no chimney. You can cook under a cover outside, and how quick it is to just start up and ignite makes the Koda 16 now my go-to pizza oven, and it's my favourite gas-fired pizza oven. And what sets it apart from the Koda 12, not just the size. I tend to cook smaller pizza anyway, so it's not because I cook larger pizza that I prefer the 16-inch pizza oven. It's because I like to manoeuvre my pizza around the oven, sometimes closer to the flames, sometimes away from it, and it just gives me that extra space to cook in. It's brighter in there. I can see exactly what's going on with my crusts at the back. I feel as if I've got more control using the Koda 16, and I think therefore it's a super pizza oven if you are new to pizza cooking, because you've got loads of room to manoeuvre yourself away from those flames if you feel your pizza's getting overcooked. If you don't have the budget for the 16, the 12-inch is a super pizza oven. I have said over the years how much I love it, and I still do. It does what you need it to do. It cooks pizza, and you can cook it super fast. That's why I cook on a 3/4 flame on the dial, because it is a very powerful oven. But I do cook on full in the 16 because I have a lot more room and control in there. So both of these ovens make super pizza. They're both very good quality. The design, the build, the structure. I've never had any problems with either of them. I've never had any issues with the dial or the stones or anything like that. I taught myself to cook pizza in the Koda 12, and I learnt a lot from it, and it's a really good pizza oven if you are new to cooking. Just be mindful that that's a pretty strong flame at the back, so start off with smaller pizzas if you are going to buy the Koda 12, and then gradually increase the size of your pizza up to 12 inches. Please check out my other videos too on my channel. I have made a lot of videos cooking real-time pizza using the Ooni Koda 12 pizza oven. Check them out here on this link.
So I hope you enjoyed that video and found it useful. I certainly enjoy making these videos because I use these ovens a lot. It's good to compare if you are looking at buying one of these pizza ovens. So I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.